Hello, YouTube. A miracle of nature was discovered by India's scientists, mushroom pickers of sorts. They found a mushroom has grown on a live frog. Not some kind of fungus, but a mushroom with a cap and a stipe grew on a live frog. An unprecedented phenomenon in science, ladies and gentlemen. In mycology, a stipe is the stem or stalk-like feature supporting the cap of a mushroom. The real mushroom with a cap and a stipe was discovered growing on a frog by those Indian zoologists, amateur naturalist Chinmay Mali and wetlands specialist Y.T. Lohit. This was immediately reported in the journal Reptiles and Amphibians. Colleagues are quite surprised. No one has ever seen such a miracle in the sense of cap mushrooms living on the body of animals. The frog has been identified. It seems to be Hylarana intermedia. The fungus was also recognized. It is from the genus Mycena. Mycene mushrooms are saprotrophs. They grow on fallen leaves and rotting wood, feeding on the decomposition of organic substances. They are useful because they recycle the forest floor. The forest floor, also called detritus or duff, is the part of a forest ecosystem that mediates between the living above-ground portion of the forest and the mineral soil, principally composed of dead and decaying plant matter, such as rotting wood and shed leaves. Zoologists have not found out how that particular mushroom took root on a live frog and what it feeds on there. The frog did not look sick. It was active. The naturalists did not catch it, and they did not pluck the mushroom out. They photographed the frog and let it go. The further fate of the amphibian as well as the mushroom itself is unknown. The discovery was made in Karnataka in June of 2023. If there are more frogs with mushrooms, the mushroom pickers of science did not report it. The mycene mushrooms are small. There are many edible ones among them, and hallucinogenic ones are also found. It is not yet known what kind of mushroom the frog has acquired. It would be uncanny if the mushroom was producing hallucinogenic dreams. As the authors of the article stated, to the best of our knowledge, never has a mushroom sprouting from the flank of a live frog has been documented. The frog was not collected, so no prognosis is possible. My acquaintance, I mentioned in my videos on occasions, science writer for the Komsomolskaya Pravda, who, by the way, brought up this story for them too, Vladimir Lagovsky, encountered unusual mushroom growth. Also, it happened in the autumn of 2023 in the vicinity of Moscow. The mushroom, also with a cap, grew directly from the relatively thin trunk of a living tree. Lagovsky is not a conservation scientist and did not identify the tree, and neither did he know what the mushroom was. He only noticed that it was not alone. There was another one sticking out next to it, from which the head has fallen off. Lagovsky did not write to a scientific journal about it, but he photographed the phenomenon. So that's what I wanted to let you know today. Very interesting. Imagine the creatures we could meet on other planets. Also, when we start exploration, if we ever do, I most likely think it's going to be robots that ever get to planets that resemble Earth. But that's besides the point. So, life is endless in its, should I say, fantasies or creations. So, stay tuned for more interesting videos about our unusual planet and its animals. And if you can support my research, you'll find the ways to do it in description to this video. Please tell others about my work. Please like my videos too. Thank you.